Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make invoice in Excel. You might probably know how to draw a table in Excel, but you might not know how to use a table in a practical way. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make invoice in Excel. In order to make invoice in Excel, first of all, you have to open the Excel files, and then here, for example, in this cell, you write the name of the company that you want to make the invoice for. For example, you write Adil computer service. This is the name of the company, and down below you write the address. For instance, you write Sina Tower, uh, Delhi, then or New Delhi, New Delhi. Then here you write the postal code. For example, it's just an example, and uh, down below you can write the customer specification like customer name, customer name, customer name, and double dot, then press minus in order to make a broken line. Then after that you can say invoice uh, ID or invoice number. Then after that you can write the date, double dot, minus. So this is the specification that you make for the customer. uh, After that you write here uh, the serial number. Then you write description, uh, description. Then rate, you can write the quantity and the amount. Okay, as you know that the serial number takes very less space and description takes more space, then you make it a little larger, and because this is the main title, you make it bold, and also you increase the size of the font. And also if you want to make it in italic size, italic style, then this one also you can make a little larger, then bring it into middle, then you can make it bold. And if you want, you can give a style. For example, I want to give a thick outside border, then you can merge it the cell, or here, uh, because this is also the second title, you bring it in the middle, then you make it bold, and also uh, all border, then you make it bottom double border. Okay, that's great. So far we have done a great job. And then after that, below, uh, you can make a border until here. You can make only a thick outside border like this. Then in order to separate each column from each other, then you have to draw some lines like this. Okay, sorry, you have to select the another one, the left border. Again, you select the left border, then select the left border. Okay, uh, after that, here you write the total amount of money. Then if tax is also applied, you can write the tax inside the bracket. You can write the percentage of the tax. For example, I write 14%. Then after that, you write the grand total, the grand total. Okay, if you want to give some style, so that is great. You select here, and then only the you write tick bottom border like this. And if you want to make it italic, that's also great. Because this is grand total, I want to make it bold, so that's awesome. Now below that, you can write the signature, because signature is also necessary. For example, here you write signature, and then after that, if you want to uh, draw a thick line over here, you can also do the same. Till here, you can draw the thick thick outside border like this. Then you make it a little smaller, and also from left side. That's great. Then here you can bring the logo of the company. Insert button, click on the picture. Then for here I have one logo available here. You make it a little smaller. uh, Here, for example, so this is the logo. Okay, that's great. Again, you want to make it a little smaller. Okay, so down below you can write the email address or the phone number of the company. Email, you can say write the uh, Adil, for example, PC at gmail.com, and then after that you can write the phone number, phone, something like these, 096. So this is the phone number that you can write over here. And if fax is also available, you can write the fax. This should be in italic. Then you can bring it in the middle. You can make the size of the phone is smaller. Okay, so this is exactly what we wanted. Then now if you remove the grid line, it will be shown as a perfect bill. That's awesome. So thank you for watching. If you really want me to make more videos and to learn Excel more in a very practical way, please subscribe and like my video.